Hello everyone. Today I'm going to review this manual coffee burr grinder by Dual Chef. So this is how the coffee grinder looks like. It's stainless steel and this is the handle. The lid is very tight around the neck, so you don't have to worry about your powder dipping if it falls down or something. So this is the dial, and you can adjust your grind according to this. If you want a coarse grind, then you have to turn it anti-clockwise, and if you want a very smooth grind, you have to turn it clockwise. So let me show you first. Let me show you how smooth the grind can get. And this is where your grind goes in, so you can see how much it got to what it got filled. First I'm gonna put some beans in this. Don't overfill it. So this goes around here. So you have to start grinding. So this is the fine ground, if you can see. This is very fine. Normally this fine ground can be used if you are preparing Turkish coffee or maybe pour over or something. I'm gonna show you how the coarser grind looks like. So I'm adjusting the dial to coarser setting. I'm gonna do the same thing now. Again, this is the coarser ground, so as you can see, this would be perfect for my French press. Even if I want to fill my Nespresso capsules, that would be coarser ground would be perfect. The maximum coarser would be, I'm gonna show you. Yep, that's too coarse. It's not gonna be useful for anything, but yeah, that's too coarse. So what I meant to say is you can adjust the thickness of your grind, so you need not settle just for one grind like the traditional burr grinder. So if you are if you like coffee and if you like to try different variations, different types of coffee, like pour over, drip coffee, or French press, whatever, so this would be a perfect grinder for you. And it's very compact. You can carry it anywhere. You can, if you're going camping, you can just keep it in your backpack. And it's very strong, though it's thin, it's not bending, and it's very strong, and it's easy to clean. And I timed myself doing grinding coffee beans in this, and it took almost 2 minutes for me to grind up to the neck of, I kept the beans still here, and it took me almost 2 minutes to grind those beans. So I don't think it would be a problem even if you want to do it every day. That's my review on this, and if you want more reviews, please go to my YouTube channel, Desi Coupon Lady, or you can also go to my website, desicouponlady.com. Thank